all the ways we've made money on Amazon, ranking them from worst to best. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetino Media, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. All right, so in this video, I'm gonna be talking about all the ways that we have made money on Amazon. They have a bunch of different programs that you can make money on, and I haven't even done all of them. But I'm gonna share with you 5 of the programs that I've been a part of and share my experiences with you and what I think of them. Starting it off at number 5 with my least favorite way is Amazon private labeling. So what is that? Basically, what it is in a nutshell is you go on to Alibaba.com, you look at their catalog of thousands and thousands of products, you choose a product based on research. So you want to research a good selling product that's going to be profitable. You find a product, you brand it, you label it, and you call it your own, and you create your own brand. You purchase thousands of units of that product, get it shipped either to yourself, where you package it up, or you get it shipped to a facility that you pay to package it for you, and then yourself or that company ships it to Amazon, their Amazon warehouses, and then it goes live on Amazon, and then you have your own branded private label product on Amazon. So I did this myself, and don't get me wrong, it's completely lucrative. You can make an insane amount of money per month doing this. There are people where this is their business, this is their livelihood, they're millionaires off of this. But for me personally, why it's number 5 is because I didn't enjoy the process. I didn't enjoy finding the products on Alibaba.com in particular. I mean, you don't have to get the products there, it's just where most people get the products from. I didn't enjoy the whole process, the large quantities. There's a game that happens on Amazon when you are a product seller, especially if you are competing against other brands. Things can get a little scrappy between brands if you are selling the exact same thing, which a lot of people do. There are many games that we are playing in life, and I didn't like that one on Amazon. Number 4 was the Amazon retail arbitrage. So this is similar, a little bit more manual, because this is where you go into the stores, you bring your cell phone, and you have the Amazon scanning app, and you go to like a Walmart and you go to the sale section and you find products that are selling for cheap but are selling for high on Amazon. So I enjoyed this when I was doing it. It was like a treasure hunt, and you would go into the stores with your phone app and you'd find a product that's $10 and it sells for $50, $60, $70 on Amazon. Yeah, and it's true, you can actually find products that do that. But after a certain time, it becomes very manual, and for me personally, I started to not enjoy it because it's time, right? You have to go into the store, you have to find the products. Some days were really good and you can find a lot of stuff, and some days were not so good and you'd come back empty-handed. Another thing was the packaging aspect. So again, you can outsource this, but when you're starting out and doing it yourself, you need to input the products yourself onto the Amazon dashboard, package them up, and then ship it off to Amazon's warehouse. And so there was, you're dealing with a lot of big boxes, potentially heavy items. It's just very manual, and it's definitely hard work, but it can be very lucrative as well. With anything in life, when you're trying things out, you want to find out what works best for you, right? And so I did this for many years, and then the pandemic happened and I couldn't go into the stores and I couldn't shop anymore. I had about 2-3 years of not doing this, and I was like, I think I'm done. I think I'm done doing the retail arbitrage. Number 3 is the Amazon Associates program. So this is Amazon's affiliate program, and you get these links, the links to any products that are selling on Amazon, and you have a unique link to you. And when you put these links in your YouTube descriptions, anytime anyone clicks on that link and purchases something, you get a commission on. This one's purely digital. There's nothing physical happening here. You literally just get the links from the Amazon websites, and it's very simple. It's very simple in that you just place them there and then, you drive traffic to it. The commissions aren't that high, so that's why I'm not that crazy excited about it, but it is still something that I implement on our YouTube videos. Number 2 is the Merch by Amazon program. So the Merch by Amazon is a print-on-demand program. What is print-on-demand? Basically, when you purchase something on Amazon, like a t-shirt, like a sweatshirt, like a hoodie, like a hat, and you have a specific design on it, you may not know this, but Amazon only prints it when you make the purchase so that they don't have all this extra inventory sitting off, collecting dust. They only print it when someone purchases. So I liked this program because it was also quite digital. You did need to be a little bit creative in coming up with designs, and you could either do these designs yourself or you could outsource these designs. Again, I have friends who are crushing it with the Merch by Amazon program. They come up with designs either themselves or they outsource, they upload it to the Merch by Amazon platform when you sign up. And whenever someone purchases a t-shirt, a hoodie, a hat, they get a commission on. And so Amazon takes care of the printing of the product, creating it, shipping it, the customer service, everything like that. You are just providing the creative, the digital creative. You can really make some good money without actually creating like a whole brand and a whole business, just coming up with designs. And currently my number 1 favorite way of making money on Amazon, out of the 5 that I've tried, is the Amazon Influencer Program. This to me right now, out of all of them that I've tried, is the most fun. It's filming short clips of products that you don't necessarily need to purchase. You don't really even need to be in the videos. And it's Amazon's affiliate program like I've never seen before. So I've done a lot of affiliate programs from a lot of companies, and nobody is doing it like this with video. And I love it. I love that Amazon is pushing the boundaries and creating a new way of making income for people. And it's like a really fun game for me right now. So that's my number 1 way to make money on Amazon right now. Like I mentioned, all 5 of these can crush it. Like, what I would suggest is try out the ones that you want to try out. Which ones resonate with you more? Like, if you're more of an artist, I would go for Merch by Amazon. If you love shopping, do the retail arbitrage. If you've always wanted to create your own brand and product, then do private labeling. All of these can make money. And if you are interested in checking out the Amazon Influencer Program, which is my favorite right now, you guys can head down to the description below. I have a link where you can check out a course that takes you through the entire process, explains what it is, how it works, and how you can make money with it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.